All right, everyone. So in this session, we are going to multiple analysis in a Euro USD, that what happening in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame, and what we can expect in next upcoming days, week, and months. So this entire session based on Euro USD, because in a last webinar we have done about gold, okay, and few major currency pair, major stock like, okay, and index I will cover in upcoming every week on each like on each pair every week in uh, upcoming weeks. Okay, so if I'm a bad English because English is not good actually. Okay, so let's start. Okay, sir, everyone. Now I'm going to first of all turn off the chat section because so many unnecessary messages. People do spam a lot of things, but I will enable later once I finish the Euro USD multiple time frame analysis. And after finish this multiple time frame analysis, I will start quick question answer also. So no need to worry anything. I will pick few most requested question answer. Okay, because every question answer is not possible for me to reply. You know, more than 1,000 members already joined. Okay, right now we have a 500 plus members. Okay, so let's see. Start from Euro USD and first of all, we are going to start from a higher time frame picture. What happening based on structure and liquidity? If you see start structure based on monthly time frame, what happening? Let's look at the higher time frame picture first of all. If you can see at this point here in a monthly time frame, when market rise in a past in a 1972 almost. Okay, if you try to mark the structure here based on monthly time frame, then you will see everything is based on inducement, liquidity, structure, everything. I'm starting from top of the structure and bottom of the structure because it's this will help you a lot to understand that how structure work and how inducement pullback is a work and what is chalk and pause, everything clear. Okay, and based on structure we can identify where is our next move. Okay, so first of all, look at this one. This here, I'm going to start from this bottom here. Okay, this is a small pullback here. Why? Because this candle taken out the liquidity. That's why this become our violet pullback is here, right? So this is a violet pullback like this. Again, market continue going higher high. Market not break this inducement. So this is a single leg move here. You have to wait for taking out the first pullback to confirm a higher high. If market not taken out the pullback and market continue pushing upside, then you have to wait for it. Okay, so what happened here? Market get another pullback is here and push upside, and finally market taken out this one. So when market taken out the inducement, okay, so when market taken out the inducement, our higher has a confirm here in a bullish market, and same scenario will be applicable in a bearish market. If market taken out the first pullback and then confirm the lower low, and same scenario in a bullish market. So this is our higher high because market momentum is a bullish, and this is our higher low because this is the lowest point at this point, right? So this move is our single leg move here. Okay, but this single leg is here, so many pullback like this. So market taken out this pullback. If market not taken out this pullback and create any pullback is here, another pullback and continue go higher, and then market get another one is here and then taken out this pullback. So our higher high will be at this point, right? I hope this point is clear to you. All right, after that, what happened here? Market break this high here because market momentum is a bullish. To confirm any break of structure in terms of the structure, market must be candle closer to confirm a valid break of structure, chalk, change of character. Okay, So in a first attempt, you can see market just break this previous high, but not close away. So this is just liquidity sweep. This is a not a break of structure here still, right? You have to wait for it to candle close over it. So in next attempt, market close over it. So when price close over it, this break of structure become a valid. Otherwise, no. At this point, this is a not a valid. This is just liquidity sweep and market can push downside and then continue go higher. If close over it at this point, then this point become our valid break of structure. Again, continue going higher high and again, same thing you have to understand. And remember one more thing, you can say this is a pullback here like this. If you are thinking market taking out this inducement, this is a higher high. No, this is a not higher high. Remember why? Because the candlestick not close over it. If close over it and then taken out the high low, then in that case, the break of structure and higher high is valid, right? So this is just liquidity sweep. Continue going higher high. This is a pullback. And finally, what happened here? Market create another pullback is here. Again, going higher high and then taken out the pullback. So once market taken out the pullback, our higher is a confirm here. So where is our pullback? This one. All right. So this is a pullback. And remember one more thing. When market confirm a break of structure is here, our higher low also confirm. Where? This point. So this point generally become our higher low. Why? Because structure is a bullish push downside and then market break off of it and close of it. So this is the lowest point and this become our higher low. Right now we have a range between this low to this high. And this point become our higher high is here. Okay. And this is a single leg move here. What happen if market break this low or the break the high? So this is a low and this is a high. If market taken out this inducement, mitigate this order block because this is a first pullback, failed this one. You are looking to buy because this is a first PY, this is a decisional PY, and this is an extreme, right? Basically, two types of PY actually work after taking out the inducement, after taking out the initial liquidity. So this is an inducement because the first pullback, and this is a decisional PY when there is 50-50% of probability before the for the buy and sell. And this is a extreme, it's a high probability because the market momentum is a bullish and this is a extreme. So this is a incident liquidity is here. This is a low below it, right? This is a extreme market gave reaction, but this one is also fail. When market failed, sweep this high, mitigate here and push downside. In that case, okay, and same scenario happen here, tap this one, mitigate this one, give reaction and fail. So when this PY is a failed, you can sell here for the short term till this one, okay? Because this is our bearish order flow is there, right? So right now, what happened here? Market break the first major low, and when market break the major low and candle close below it, candle close below it. So this become our valid change of character. If market did not close below it, just taken out the low. So this become our just liquidity. This is not a chalk, right? But market close below it. So this become our chalk. And chalk confirm here because price close below it. And now you have to wait for it to confirm our lower low. So where is our lower low? Price must be taken out the first pullback. First pullback means previous candle high broken. Which candle taken out the previous candle high? In this case, you can see where is our valid pullback here. This one. Why? Why not this one? Because this is a just inside move of this candlestick, right? So price taken out this one and then our lower low confirm here. And this point become our lower low, right? And this is our previous high. Again, what happened? Market break this high and this become our also chalk. Market again shift here. And same scenario applicable here, chalk. And then you have to wait for taking out the inducement. So where is inducement? Here. This one is our inducement at this point. And after taking out the inducement, our higher high is confirmed here. Okay. Again, push a little bit downside. After taking out the inducement, mitigate your decisional PY and going higher high, because this is a decisional PY, right? Here you can buy based on single candle order block also here, right? This is your single candle order block entry. Again, push upside. This become our new break of structures here, price close of it, and same rule here, taking out the inducement at this point. I think on extreme here. Let me check this one clearly. Why I'm explaining this thing? Because it's very important to understand that how structure work and what kind of thing you have to check here. Look at this one actually here. Because this is a small pullback and then market break the high. This small pullback, something like this, and continue to go higher because the previous candle low is a broken here. So this is a pullback and go higher. If candle not broke, just came back upside. So this is a pullback, right? So I hope you understand. This is a inducement. And where is our PY? This one. This is a decisional PY. And this one, your extreme, right? And this is our engineering liquidity is here. Because this is a decisional and this is engineering liquidity and this is extreme. So here extreme work, here decisional work. Because decisional means like a 50% of probability for the buy and sell. Okay. And now again, what happened here? Same scenario applicable here. Break the previous high, close of it. So when close of it, where is our higher high? This is a previous structure, higher high, higher low, again higher high. Why this higher high is a confirm here? Because market taken out the inducement. Where is inducement? Here. After taking out the inducement, market mitigate your unmitigated shadow here, direction, and go upside. But what happened here? Look at this picture here. You are willing to buy here, everything is clear. But what happened here? Market failed. Break this main low is here, and this is a just liquidity sweep, and still there is a no structure change here. There is no structure change here. Everything was bullish until broken this low and close below it. So in the next attempt, market close below it, and this become our chalk. Okay. So this become our chalk because in the next attempt, price close below it. Okay. And now again, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. So where is our inducement? Here, because this is a pullback like this. All right. And this point become our lower low. Why? Because trend has been changed. Bearish to bullish to bearish. And again, you have to wait for it. Same scenario applicable here. This is a break of change of character because again, bearish to bullish structure has changed, right? And now you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. So which point market taken out the inducement? Here. Okay. So market taken out the inducement, and then we can confirm our higher high is here. Push downside. If this previous high is a big taken out, so this become our inducement, right? If both are equal high, so this is an inducement here. You have to check here. So this is a higher high, and now you have a two PY. First one is here. Look at this picture is here. Let me check this one. I think this one is taken out this one. First of all, look at this picture here. Yes, this is taken out. That's why. So this is an inducement here. After taking out the inducement, you have to mark recent unmitigated order block to confirm valid PY. So there is no unmitigated. This one is a mitigate. This one is a mitigate here, and this one here. Actually, this one, right? So this is a PY. Market not give any reaction, just a small reaction and failed. It means we have to buy on extreme PY. So where is our extreme? Because this is a single line move is here. Where is our extreme PY? We have to check on bottom of this move. Look at this picture. Everything is clear here. This candle taken out the liquidity and mitigate single candle order block, and next candle here, right? Last styling candle before this buy move. So this is just extreme unmitigated order block when we can take risk in upcoming days for the buy. So this is our last hope when we can see Euro USD in upcoming days possible here. Mitigate this one before continuing go higher, and everything looks bullish. And short term, not short term, but this is a internal structure as per the monthly time frame, because monthly time is a very high, higher time frame actually. So simply you can trade between this range based on like daily, weekly, monthly time. Sorry, daily, weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, because so many opportunity here between this high and low. But you will see everything was bullish, and decisional POI is a failed, and you have a only extreme POI, and two POI actually work after taking out the inducement. First one is a decisional POI, and next extreme on after taking out the engineer equity, right? So at this point, what we can expect here in this is we can expect market can be pushed downside in upcoming months before continue go higher. If market broke on this high and this become our valid break of the structure to the upside, right? And you have to check here which point we can see counter trend sell here. This is our counter trend move as per the monthly time frame. Look at this picture here. This is not a valid pullback here. Market taken out this high here. If market taken out this high, because this is the first pullback, if market taken out this pullback, and then we can sell here, right? So here, taking out this one, and then we can sell till this extreme PY as per the monthly time frame. This is the overall monthly time frame structure. All right. Now we are going to switch here in a weekly time frame and then daily time frame. So as per the weekly time frame, looks a bearish structure. Everything looks a bearish. There is no bullish structure. If you mark the previous structure was here, last swing high here, higher low, break this one, push downside, higher low, higher high, push downside, and I think this one. Let me check here. You have to check here first thing, if first broken this low. No, everything is fine. Okay, so these are things. So price can be sweep the previous weekly high is there, lower high, and then we can see a downside move. So if you see based on candlestick structure, you can see based on candlestick structure is here, the previous high is a sweep here. It means liquidity grab here. This is an indication that market grab the liquidity and willing to push downside. So we can short term sell here based on the previous high sweep here, structure high sweep here, based on single candle mitigation, and sell till this low. All right, and this is a weekly time frame, and in a daily as a day trader, you will see so many entries possible here for the short term in a downside in a Euro USD. Okay, if I switch here in a lower time frame like daily and 4 hour, then you will see so many opportunity possible here, and next attempt continue go higher after taking out this low. All right, so let's see, switch here in a daily time frame. First of all, as per the daily time frame structure, this is our previous higher high and higher low, break this high, this is a higher high confirm here, just sweep the liquidity, and this become our higher high because taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, you have to buy here. Where is our unmitigated order block after taking out this one? Everything is a mitigate here. You can see this order block here mitigate, and this one is also mitigate here. This one is a mitigate here, and this one is also mitigate. it means everything is mitigated here. In this case, what happens? In this case, most of the time, market taken out the major low and then create opportunity and you can buy here, right? Because there is no unmitigated PY. Everything is mitigated here, right? Inducement taken out, there is no ingenuity, there is no extreme PY. Everything is mitigated here, right? So in this case, market taken out this low, if sweep this low and then gives you single candle order block confirmation, then you can buy here. Otherwise, you have to buy here based on chalk, like if candle close below it, based on daily time frame, because everything is a bullish here. The previous structure was here, the lower lows and lower high, push downside, lower lows, lower high, chalk, and after chalk, what happened here? Boss, right? So if market broke this low, this is a chalk, and taken out the inducement, and you can sell here. All right. So this move can be also possible here, but for the short term, definitely you can take entry here for the sell, right? Because there is no unmitigated PY, everything is mitigated here, right? So let's see. And if you are willing to sell here for the short term, then how you can sell here? Simply, you have to wait for it to take out this pullback. If price taken out this pullback, and then you can sell here till this low. This low is as a target. Okay. Now switch here in a lower time frame to check in a 15-minute time frame to see. If you mark the structure based on a 15-minute time frame, then you will see what's happening here and what we can expect here. You can mapping the structure anywhere, like market moving dropping at this point. So you can start from top of the move and bottom of the move. So market is a bearish, so you have to always start from top of the move. So this is the highest point, right? And before this highest one, you have to mark the previous structure. Where is our previous structure? You can see this inducement taken out here, right? And this confirm is a higher high and a higher low, right? But this higher low is not confirmed here because the structure is not broken, right? So you have to check the previous one, this one, higher high, higher low, because taken out the inducement, and break this structure, break off structure, push upside, taken out this higher high confirm here, push downside, and this is a chalk, right? So this is a chalk, confirm chalk, push downside, and this point become our higher low, sorry, lower low, because taken out this inducement, taken out the inducement, confirm higher high, again break this structure, and this point become our, what happened this one? This become our break of structure, because everything in a continuation downside. And at this point, the previous high sweep, if previous high sweep here, there is a no chalk. This is just liquidity grab here. So in this case, what happened? Liquidity grab, you can simply sell here, right? Break this structure here, and this is move something like this, because this low transfer here to here, because this high transfer here to here. This is a not lower low and lower high, because this high is a sweep by this one. So that's why this move become our lower high. Again push downside, and market again create, this one is a lower low because taken out the inducement, right? Break this low, and this become our peak of structure here, and this is a lower low, lower high, break the structure, again push downside. You have to always check again, where is our lower low? Here, because this is a small pullback like this, taken out this one. Let me check this one. This one is a small pullback like this and broken this one. And then what happened? Market push upside, taken out this one. This point become our lower low, right? And this become our lower high. Again break this structure, this become our break of structure here. Push downside, market mitigate this PY, I mean this one. And if you are thinking why we don't need inducement here, and wow, how we can sell here. Simply, you can see the previous structure, just liquidity grab here. If structure sweep the liquidity, you don't need to wait for inducement. You can directly sell here. Like price tap here, you can sell here. Again, break the structure, push downside. You have to always wait for taking out the inducement. Here, inducement taken out, confirm the lower low, lower high. Break the structure, push downside. Again, confirm a lower low because taken out the inducement here. Inducement taken out, confirm lower low. After this one, where is our unmitigated PY? This one, right here. This one. Type here, give reaction and fail. But what happened? Just sweep the liquidity. There is no structure change here. So this will be also transfer here. And this become our new break of structure here at this point. Again, create new lower low, taken out the inducement. Okay, mitigate this unmitigated shadow here, push downside, break the structure here, close below it. So this become our lower low, and this point become our lower high. Again, pushing downside and confirm a lower low. Which point? This one. Taken out this. Okay. And this is our decisional PY is here. Right. And you can see decisional PY is a sweep here. And people are thinking that how you can deal here. This is a fail. It means market can be go higher to mitigate your extreme PY. You have a 2 PY is here. This one on extreme, and this one is your decisional. And decisional PY is a tap and failed sweep. So in this case, you can deal here. If price create here chalk and sweep flip entry module, you can definitely sell here. Right. But remember one more thing. This is a 50% of probability. Right. Market can be go higher again to mitigate your extreme. And this is a high probability and then sell. This is a low and this is a break of structure. But if market after sweep this one single candle mitigation based on single candle order block, you can also sell here. But based on lower time frame, structure confirmation is a high probability compared to the SCOB here. If market not sweep this order block, just tap here and create a single candle order block, that case, which is more high probability. Okay. Let me check the lower time frame structure here. There is any opportunity or not. This one sweep here. You have to check here. Candle, I think here close 23 here. Candle close here, right? No, there is a no flip entry module here. Everything still there is no confirmation. There is no opportunity. If market taken out the at least inducement, then we can sell. Otherwise, we have to wait for it to create inducement here and mitigate something here and then sell. So right now there is no opportunity here in a Euro USD. You have to wait for it. And again, switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. And this is the internal structure. Decisional PY failed. It means so probably we can buy after taking out this one, mitigate your PY and continue go higher to mitigate extreme PY. So at this point, if market create any buy opportunity, definitely you can buy here, right? Because this is a internal structure. So I hope you understand what happening in a Euro USD in a higher time frame perspective to lower time frame and what criteria you should follow to confirm higher high, higher low, and everything. Let me enable chat section for you for the quick question answer. Okay, everyone. So chalk confirmation by candle. So when price tap on PY, higher time frame PY, and you are willing to buy sell in a lower time frame, in that case, on chalk, there is no candlestick confirmation like candle closer confirmation for the chalk. Just sweep is also fine. How to save check swing high low swift. Sir, you can watch again this session, because I mentioned everything that how you can see and shift your high and low when measure high low sweep. Press tap on H4 extreme order block, then we have to chalk in a M5 M15. Yes, sir. For the higher time frame in H4, you have to wait for M15 before the enter. Bank Nifty. Sir, in the next upcoming weeks, I will make only Bank Nifty analysis in higher time frame to lower time frame. So each week, I will make a new currency pair and index pair. I will choose only one pair in a higher time frame to lower time frame. Can we sell on the IFC that sweep the decision? Yes, sir, we can sell, but we need a chalk and flip entry. Gold, sir, in a previous webinar, I have done gold in a higher time frame, lower time frame picture. So you can watch on my YouTube channel. In the current awareness structure, price close above the high of the structure, which you can't it as a sweep. Please explain. If price close of it, so this can be a chalk, right? Based on 15 time frame. If price close of it, right? So this is a chalk. If not close of it, just sweep the previous high. So this is a not chalk. This is just sweep the high, and this can be this will be transfer structure, and this move like this. One hour, sir. I don't trade in a 1 hour time frame. Mostly, I trade follow the 15-minute time frame, and same principle applicable in a 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour everywhere. Simply news trading, sir. I don't trade based on news trading. I don't know fundamentals, so I have no idea about it. So many question answer. I'm not able to read your question because more than 500 plus question answer within minute. So please ask one by one. SCOB method explain. Sir, for the SCOB single candle order block, I make already a YouTube video I uploaded on it. So you can watch them. Then you will see that how single candle order block work and how it work on higher time frame and lower time frame. This will definitely help you a lot because it's very important while you are marking a PY and taking entries. How much your mentorship? You can check our description. I think this is not valid pullback. Why this is not valid pullback? This one is a valid pullback. This was here and here. So this is a pullback only, which must be taken out. When market taken out this one, this lower low is a confirm here. And this one is also a valid. Mr. Khan, can you explain trendline liquidity? Sir, trendline liquidity, you can say when market follow bearish and bullish momentum, okay, and then market gives you false momentum as a breakout, okay, and some people call it fake out because when market break the trend line, a lot of people are introduced for the buy and sell, right? Let me explain this one. For example, this one is a trend line, right? This is a trend line. Everything is a bearish. If market respect your trend line, then a lot of people introduce for the buy, okay, because sorry, trend line tap here, and a lot of people are introduced here for the sell at this point because 2 and 3 times trend line tap here. People are looking here for sell. When you are willing to sell here, they put the stop loss just over it and then failed. And sometime market trend line breakout, people are looking here for buy. Okay, so battle up between this buyers and sellers. This is just a trap. And liquidity can be different types like trend line, supply, demand, support, resistance, EMA. So many types of liquidity. Even order block is also liquidity. Okay, order block is not SMC. If you think only order block is SMC, no. Order block is just a specific area when we are willing to buy or sell. Main thing is a liquidity. You have to identify the liquidity, then you have to take entry. Order block is not SMC. This is the biggest myth in a SMC trader. People are thinking they know boss chalk and order block. That's fine for the SMC. This is not SMC. SMC means finding the liquidity. Where is our liquidity when we should buy and sell? Main thing, you have to identify the liquidity, wait for collect them, and then you have to enter. Liquidity can be different type. Mainly, I follow the sweep liquidity. When market sweep the previous high or low, I love to trade them setup like this sweep here, and I'm very highly probability that I can take this entry. This one sweep here, always like the previous. This is a counter trend. I can't sell, sorry, buy here. But if price tap any PY and gives a sweep, then I can buy here, right? If market sweep this one and create a single candle order block, I'm interested here for buy. And this can be also the previous sweep here, mitigate this one. And I'll have to sell here. This one is a sweep here. I'm willing to sell here. There are so many possible opportunity. If market mainly sweep the higher low, sweep the inducement, then very highly chances that you can get your high probability entry for the buy and sell. Okay, everyone. So I hope you understand that how things actually work and what criteria you should follow before the buy and sell. What criteria you should follow marking the PY lower time frame and confirm the higher high, lower lows, everything. The structure mapping is a very important, and then identifying the liquidity and then enter. Simple. You have to stick in three things. First one, identifying the structure, and second, identify the liquidity. That's it. And enter on a lower time frame confirmation. First, identifying structure. Second, identifying PUI. I'm sorry, liquidity, and then PUI. Structure, liquidity, and PUI, and play here. SCOB, single candle order block, and you can say chalk and flip. Chalk and flip entry module. That's it. Enough. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. Attend this wonderful webinar. I'm going to finish this one and I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible. If you are late to join, then you can watch later anytime. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day and have a nice, great weekend, upcoming weekend. Thank you so much, everyone. Yes, sir. I will upload on YouTube this session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice, great weekend. Have an okay. All right.